Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are discussing about problem identification. First of all, before starting the meaning of problem identification, first of all, we are discussing about problem. What is problem? A problem is defined as a roadblock that needs a solution. When there is a roadblock in a situation which poses a conflict and forces you to find a solution. So, problem identification. A problem is a roadblock in a situation, something that sets up a conflict and forces you to find a solution. When an entrepreneurship identifies such roadblock, he or she is said to be have a identified problems. In our society, there are different types of problems are there. Before starting the entrepreneurship, what are the problems faced by entrepreneur to start the entrepreneurship? So, the entrepreneur is to evaluate different problems available in the market. So, the objectives of problem identification is that it should clearly state the problems. Before identify the problem, the entrepreneur is to state the problem clearly in a significant manner. Then only the person is to be identify the problems clearly manner. Second objective, identify the target group facing the problems. In suppose a particular kind of problems is affect only particular community. Suppose take an example of diamond. The price of a diamond is increasing day by day, and only rich people is affecting the that type problems for regularly using the diamonds. Third point, find the market acceptability of a solution to the problems. The problem is how faced by our marketing conditions. How this problem affect our market. Sometimes this problem may affect the demand of a product, increasing the price of a product. So, before identify the problem, the entrepreneur is to evaluate the market acceptability of the solution to the problem. Next one, uses of problem identification. The problem identification helps to the entrepreneur. First object users is that bring out the new products in the market. It helps to understand the problems and the needs of the market. Third one, be creative or to become creative. Next one, increase the employment opportunities. Last uses of problem identification is that increasing the national income of a country. These are the different uses of problem. So, problems are generally identified by the entrepreneur themselves, as in the case of a particular line of business. Next one, idea generation. Idea generation refers to the process of creating, developing, and communicating ideas which are abstract, concrete, or visual. It includes the process of developing the idea through creativity and innovation and bringing the concept is into reality. So, idea generation is an important aspect in entrepreneurship. Which kind of business is to be starting by the entrepreneur? All are come under this area. The process of idea generation includes first one, the process of constructing through the idea. Second one, innovating the concept. Third one, developing the process. And fourth one, bringing the concept into reality. These are the different process of idea generation. Next one, idea fields. Idea fields can be described as a convenient frames of reference for streamlining the process of generation of ideas. The process of generation of idea can be streamlined by developing an awareness of different idea fields. Idea fields helps in enlarging the scope of thinking and also gives the entrepreneur with the benefit of structuring the ideas based on convenient frames of reference. By following different ways of generalizing ideas, an entrepreneur collects the number of ideas. The process of generation of idea can be streamlined by developing an awareness of different idea fields. Sources of idea fields: natural resources, existing products or services, market driven or demand driven, trading related ideas, service related ideas, creative efforts. First one, natural resources. The ideas can be generated based on the natural resources. A product or services may be derived from the foremost resources like agriculture, horticulture, mine, mineral, marine or aqua mineral, animal husbandry, wind, sun and human resources. For example, if we think of getting ideas in the field of forest resources, we think forest products would based on the biofertilizers. Second one, existing products and services. A great business ideas combines skills with imagination and market demand. The entrepreneur who look at ways to make the existing products or services better can be successful as those who create and invent the products. Third one, market driven or demand driven. One of the important methods of generating idea is market research. It is an organized effort to gather the information about the target marketers of the customers. In this area, the entrepreneur is to conduct a market research. A market research is a good source of generating ideas as it gives the information regarding first one, market needs, second one, market size, third one, level of competition, fourth one, general environment. These are the different market research areas. Third one, trade related ideas. Trading means buying or selling your goods and services from one person to another with a gain of profit. The advantages of trading are that it's easier to launch and is less risky. Next one, service related ideas. A service sector is the most growing field in these days. The person being the emerging knowledge can attract the entrepreneurs. Last way sources of field is that creative efforts. Creativity is an important field. It is not only used to spot the harness the opportunities, it also applied to develop new products and services. These are five ways in which create the ideas. First one, develop the new products or services. Second one, improve an existing products or services. Third one, find a new car. Next one, find a new marketers for existing products and services. So creativity is something new.
In this video, we are going to learn about various idea fields. Idea fields are well-defined frames of reference that guide the generation of ideas. Various idea fields are examined below. Natural resources. The idea for a product or service can be derived from the available natural resources like agricultural, breeding and caring of animals like animal husbandry, cultivation or horticulture, human, mineral or soil, solar, tidal, wind. Entirely new products or service related ideas can be generated from these resources, or ideas to implement these natural resources can be derived. Current products or services. It requires careful analysis of the existing products or services and put the expertise and imagination to improve the current products or services. The demand for a product or services or the need to tackle the competition will also help in organization of a new idea. As the value addition to the existing product or service is as good as inventing a new product, the existing products or services can also act as a good source of new ideas. Demand or market. Conducting a research in the market to procure the information related to the gap between demand and supply, changing the consumer preferences, trends, technology, helps in the generation of new ideas for products or services. The data gathered is analyzed using business intelligence and helps as good source of new ideas. In addition to this, the demand prevailing in the market will also help in generation of new ideas. The analysis of the products and services offered by the competitors will also act as a valuable resource for generation of new ideas. Trade. As the globalization has expanded the scope of business to the entire world, a careful analysis of the prevailing trades and methods will act as a good source of idea generation. Earlier, the trading was limited to local distribution network or grocery stores. However, the trade has expanded from the local market to import and export of goods. The most recent revolution in the trade is e-commerce and has broadened the scope of trading globally and is not time-bound. Thus, it became a valuable, most effective, less risk-prone area for originating new ideas. Service sector. As the society is becoming more educated and as there is tremendous growth in information and technology, it opened up new challenges and opportunities and became a great source for generation of new ideas in various entrepreneurial sectors. Few of the resources are in the service or home appliances, automobile servicing, fast food, cold drink outlets, ice cream outlets, tourism, personal grooming, career counseling, immigration services. Creativity. Creativity being one of the most important competence of an entrepreneur plays a vital role in getting an idea for a new product or service or improving an existing product or service. Most often, it is noticed that the need to solve a problem triggers creativity to come up with a new idea. It helps in adding additional value to an existing product or service. Innovate a new product or service. Innovate a new technology or material to produce a product. Expand the demand and market for the current product or service. Expand the usability of an existing product or service. That's all about the idea fields. Thanks for watching. Eduxit.com is started to promote effective and efficient learning process to help the students with their learning requirements. We are going to add more and more videos to our channel. To watch all our videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After you have subscribed to our channel, click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as a new video is published. Also, please click on the like button if you like this video. Thank you very much.